Ready to turn your Notion templates into a thriving online business? Let's dive in. First, head to the Notion template you want to sell and click the Share button in the top right corner. Then select Share to Web. Make sure the Allow Duplicate as Template option is toggled on. This is crucial so customers can actually use your template. Copy the web link provided €. That's the magic key to your digital products. Now, jump over to your Shopify store from the dashboard. Go to Products and click Add Product. Give your product a catchy title and write a compelling description. Upload a visually appealing image or mock-up of your template. Set your price. Under Inventory, make sure to uncheck Track Quantity since it's a digital product. Most importantly, under Shipping, uncheck This is a physical product. This tells Shopify it's a digital download, though we'll deliver it a bit differently. Now, for automated delivery, install a digital download app from the Shopify App Store. I recommend one with good reviews and a free plan. Within the app, create a new download and paste the Notion template URL you copied earlier. This links the purchase to the template. Hit Save on your Shopify product page, and you're all set. Now, when a customer buys your template, the app will automatically send them a download link to your Notion template. They duplicate it, and voila, they're ready to go. You've successfully bridged Notion and Shopify. Start selling your valuable Notion templates today. Good luck.